The PMI, how to benefit from this key economic indicator. Purchasing Managers Index is an important economic indicator that provides valuable insight into the health of the manufacturing sector. The PMI is based on a survey of purchasing managers in the manufacturing sector, and is a key measure of business conditions in the sector. In this video, we will explore the PMI indicator in more detail, and discuss some of the ways that can be benefit from monitoring it. What is the PMI indicator? The PMI is a survey-based economic indicator that provides a snapshot of business conditions in the manufacturing sector. The survey is conducted by IHS Markit, a leading provider of economic and financial data. The survey is based on responses from purchasing managers in the manufacturing sector. The PMI is calculated using a scale of 0 to 100, with a reading above 50 indicating expansion in the sector, and a reading below 50 indicating contraction. Why is the PMI important? The PMI is an important economic indicator because it provides valuable information about the health of the manufacturing sector. Manufacturing is a key driver of economic growth, and changes in manufacturing activity can have significant ripple effects throughout the economy. By monitoring the PMI, businesses and investors can gain insights into the current and future state of the manufacturing sector. Which can help them make more informed decisions. How to benefit from the PMI indicator. One, stay informed. By monitoring the PMI on a regular basis, this information can be used to make informed decisions about investments, business operations, and hiring. 2, plan ahead. The PMI can provide insights into future business conditions, as changes in the PMI tend to precede changes in actual business activity. By monitoring the PMI, businesses can plan ahead and make adjustments to their operations in anticipation of changes in the manufacturing sector. 3, identify opportunities. Changes in the PMI can create opportunities for businesses and investors. For example, if the PMI indicates that the manufacturing sector is expanding, businesses may want to consider investing in new equipment or hiring additional workers. Similarly, investors may want to consider investing in companies that are poised to benefit from growth in the manufacturing sector. Four, manage risk. Changes in the PMI can also create risks for businesses and investors. For example, if the PMI indicates that the manufacturing sector is contracting, businesses may need to reduce their operations or lay off workers in order to manage costs. Similarly, Investors may need to adjust their portfolios in order to avoid exposure to companies that are likely to be negatively affected. Finally, the PMI is an important economic indicator that provides valuable insights into the health of the manufacturing sector. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and add your comment. See you in another video. I wish everyone success.